Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and I love this red carpet because the most talented people I always meet here. I am of course talking about someone that you always love and I love, Gulshan Devaya and also Kylie with us.
I'm not only talented, I'm also very stylish. Check out my
Always. Look at the accessories, the drip. Oh my goodness. Any credit to anyone?
all my stuff, all my clothes. I always like to wear my own clothes.
Can you look at that cute stuff?
cute, yeah.
It's super cute.
He
gets, no?
He gets a kick out of
I do
this.
get
Like,
a
How do you, what would you rate him today? I think I'm giving him 10 on 10.
I give him like 12 out of 10.
Oh.
That's very good.
I
two
give
women.
myself.
I'm glad I'm going home with him.
Yeah. I'm also glad.
Just adorable, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is see, men and women cheering for each other. This is how it should be, right?
We've been together how long now, honey?
It depends on or off.
No, total.
I love
Total.
2010.
It's been 14 years.
14.
You must be super proud because in these years you know how hard he's worked, and when you see him getting all these awards now, it kind of feels satisfying.
Works really hard and he downplays how hard he actually works. He downplays it. He works really hard. And he's very good because of that.
He is very good. You know, I'll have to of course bring up Guns and Gulabs.
IT cell.
You can't say that. But you know,
I can.
you can. But
Yeah, I got a good discount also. It's much cheaper than the rest of them.
okay, listen, I'll have to talk about Guns and Gulabs. You're nominated. We actually, he was there, very kind enough to come to my roundtable, which is coming this year also.
Yeah, I'm coming this year also.
Yeah, I love him. And for, of course, Guns and Gulab, it was a character that I think people have been talking for a while now. And they continue to do so because of the way you played it. To be nominated for it, I know you don't need that validation, but I feel it must be feeling pretty good, kind of a satisfying
Yeah,
feeling.
sure, yeah. A lot of memes were made. You know, when Jim Saab, my friend, my dear friend, was a wonderful actor,
Yeah.
when he debuted, lots of memes of him were being made. So
Yeah.
I was very jealous. Now, as Atmaram, I have
You
lots
have
of
your
memes.
own memes.
I have my own memes, so I'm very happy.
And people in slow motion bring that out and all of that. Everything is a meme now.
Yeah, a lot of things. There are memes, there are GIFs also.
Imagine influencers want to be as successful as actors. You have an actor who wants to be a successful influencer.
Yeah, now you have
No,
become.
but it was a great part, and I think a lot of actors would have really enjoyed playing that part.
Yeah.
I was lucky that Rajan DK gave it to me. I worked with him twice, and I was like, you sometimes you luck out and you get some great parts, and then you're also. I mean, I acted the shit out of it, so I'll give myself also some credit.
Please give yourself a lot of credit. Thank you so much for waiting and doing this with us. We love you and we are very happy for both of you. And I shall see you on my round table. Thank you. Twinning in black, you're always thinking alike. What do we do?
Can't help it.
But on that note, this is quite the look.
Thank you.
What-
I must say.
I'm trying, I can't. This is my inspiration.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. You're always so kind.
Sunny, I want to know. It's OTT is a place where you've given some fantastic performances. You've been given some fantastic roles. Tell me how that impacts your life. You know how it has changed, and also some of your favorites this year.
I think OTT has, as you said, has definitely changed my life and my career. Starting from Paglet, which I think was a film which, helped me in a lot of ways.
Of course.
And then Kathar, for which I won a Filmfare Award last year.
You did.
So I think OTT is an amazing platform for all of us, like actors, not just actors, but creators.
Which were your favorites this year? Some that really stood out for you?
Guns and Gulab was amazing, and Ananya's film on
Kho Gaye
Netflix,
Hum?
Kho Gaye Hum Khan.
That is true. That's a good one. You know, I'm so glad to see that you're dropping such amazing music videos. We have to talk about that. That is quite. I actually put that song "Oh Beyonce" and "Oh Shakira" for you guys.
I saw your post.
Yeah, but it was reminiscent of that. Tell me the OG Sunidhi and you coming together. Tell us about it.
Oh my God! I don't know if it's too soon to talk about it.
Drop the look.
Yeah, we have dropped the look, and I'm super excited because I'm finally getting to dance on screen and on a Sunidhi Chauhan song. And let me tell you, Rudrani, when the song came to me, I was like, hello, मैं सुनने भी नहीं वाली हूँ. It's Sunidhi's song. She's going to be in it. We have to do it. And it was just a perfect package. I think वो कहते हैं ना कि जो वेट करते हैं उनके साथ अच्छा ही होता है. मैंने बहुत सालों तक वेट करा है and now I'm coming.
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. Now let you go inside. I was teasing Priyanamati about Jawan too. So you want to say anything?
Yeah, please make it, sir. At least, sir, after you're done with Baby John, we are waiting.
We are waiting. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Vijay Verma.
Rudrani, hi,
Looking
Rudrani.
as sharp and as good looking as always.
Thank you so much. You make me blush.
But you are. That is the fact. Okay, I will have to start with the fact that Jani Jai is a special film, and you got a lot of love for it, right? It felt incredible to have the team again reunite and see you all win and thrive.
Yeah, it was a great reunion and meeting my old pal Jaideep and spending so much time with Bebo and my director Sujoy and bunch of producers and Netflix people. I'm just craving to like do another project with them so bad. So hopefully something should happen.
It's been an incredible role for you as well. You feel like all the choices today that you've taken, which have been probably told you not to be taken by some people, and you still went ahead. And this being just one, feels validated when you come and you get the respect today, Vijay. And you do get it today. Not all.
I mean, I think the most fun part of any creative process is making it. It's a boat. If the making part is the exciting, enjoyable, satisfying, and healing to a certain degree, then when the audience receives it, it's a cherry on top. So fortunately, I've been having a bit of cherry on tops in my life. So the audience's appreciation and love has humbled me a lot, and that also gave me courage to kind of take the right decisions and take bolder and daring choices and riskier ones.
I love it. Just quick question so that you'll have to go. Car आ गया है पर हम पूछ लेंगे. Okay, quick one. People have called your performance absolutely inspiring for them. This year, what does Vijay pick as his inspiring performance?
I think Chamkila, what Diljit Paji did was exceptional. Only one person could have played this role, and that was Diljit. What Jaideep did in Janeja was also truly marvelous stuff. Adarsh Gaurav in Guns and Gulab was quite mesmerizing to watch. Manisha ji in Hiramandi, Sonakshi in Hiramandi was. I mean, there's so many brilliant performers. It was a year packed with some incredible ones.
You always also create amazing chemistry with your co-actors. If you had to recreate one with one again and do another film, who would you pick and why?
Oh God.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm fortunate to work with some of the best. But I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, Bebo any day. Bebo any day. Yeah.
Do you imagine you have that scene with her?
Yeah.
Like, and it's going viral for ages.
Yeah, I mean, it was my first on-screen dance, and I couldn't have had a better companion than Kareena.
And the chemistry. Vijay, you killed it. We are very proud of you. Thank you so much.